That beautiful music that you hear going on in the background here is a representation of an actual planetary system. There's a planetary system about 105 light years from us, in which its 6 planets have come into an almost perfect resonance of orbits. But how would we take all of these individual relationships between the planets and turn it into one big ratio for all of the planets? We want to try and pair up multiple ratios at the same time, but to be able to do that properly, we need these numbers to be exactly the same since they represent the same planet. In none of these cases are they exactly the same, but there is one case where they're almost the same. If you look at what's going on here between planet number 3, planet number 4, and planet number 5, planet number 4 orbits twice in its relationship compared to the 3rd planet out, but orbits 4 times in its relationship compared to the 5th planet out. So we can take advantage of that fact and actually just change this 3:2 ratio to a 6:4 ratio. That is, we can change the numbers so long as we're multiplying both of them by the same value, which in this case happens to be 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. So what we wrote a moment ago as a 3:2 ratio can also be written as a 6:4 ratio. And now that these numbers representing the 4th planet out are the same, we can relate all 3 of these planets at once in a 6:4:3 ratio. This 3:2 relationship between planet number 2 and planet number 3, somewhat confusingly, can just as easily be written as a 9:6 ratio if we multiply both of those components by 3. So now that gives us 9:6:4:3 among the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th planets. At this point though, we're going to have to adjust our plan a little bit. Take something like this 3:2 ratio and how we're going to bring it together with a 9:6:4:3 ratio. 2 does not go into 9 nicely, so what we're going to have to do here is multiply both ratios in order to get that common multiple. Both 2 and 9 go into 18, and so that's the number we're going to aim for. And it just so happens that 2 times 9 makes 18, so we can change this 3 into a 27, since 3 times 9 is 27. For the 9, of course, we just need to double it to turn it into an 18, and so we're going to double everything else. So now we have those first 5 planets all in a ratio together, and all we have to do is connect it to this 4:3 ratio. Between 6 and 4, what's a good common multiple? 12. So let's double everything in this first ratio. And now in the second ratio, how are we going to turn that 4 into a 12? By tripling it. 4 times 3 is 12, 3 times 3 is 9, and we are now ready to state the full ratio for this amazing planetary system. The innermost planet will orbit its star 54 times, while the outermost planet will orbit just 9 times.